Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Solvers. Here I want to find the limit of this function where we have 1 over 4 plus 1 over x divided by x plus 4, where x approaches minus 4. The difficulty level of this question is easy to medium. So let's see how can we solve this. Well, in the first step, I would replace x by minus 4 to see what do we get. Well, if I replace x by minus 4 here, and x by minus 4 here, then we get 1 over 4 plus 1 over minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus 4. Okay, and this minus 4, well, here I can write it like 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Okay, and you see that this and this cancel out each other, and this cancel out each other, and what we get is 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form, and that's not an acceptable answer. So that means we cannot at this stage directly replace x by minus 4. Instead, I should try to somehow simplify this function. And by simplifying the function here, well, we cannot simplify the denominator. We should somehow write the numerator in a way that we can find a factor like x plus 4 there. Okay, let's see how can we do it. All right, so let's see how can we rewrite this numerator here. We have 1 over 4 plus 1 over x. Okay, so I like to write it in a simpler expression, and for that I need to find a common denominator here. Well, we don't know what is x. X is like the unknown here if we just consider this expression. So when we have an unknown, to find the common denominator, we just can simply multiply these two together. So the common denominator here is 4 times x, okay? 4 times x. And now I should compare this 4 times x and 4. Well, what is missed? It is x. Then I need to multiply x to 1. X to 1 is x. And the next time I need to compare this and this. And what is missed? It is 4. So I would multiply 4 to 1. So here we have plus 4 times 1, which is 4. Okay, so that means I can rewrite this expression like this. And this is very important because, well, you see here, I can rewrite the limit as x plus 4 over 4 times x divided by x plus 4. And we know that x approaches to minus 4. And here, this x plus 4 and 4 plus x, these two cancel out each other, and what is left is 1 over 4 times x over 1, and we can simply remove this. Okay, so the limit of this, let me rewrite it again. The limit of 1 over 4 times x, where x approaches minus 4, is 1 over 4 times minus 4, which is 1 over minus 16. So this is the final answer of this limit. And it's very important why we couldn't get the answer by replacing minus 4 here, because the function is not in its simplified format. We need to simplify it. When we did, then we got this 1 over 4x. That means this function, 1 over 4 times x, and this function are actually the same functions, okay? So we always need to write it in its simplified format, and then we can replace x by the number that we have, and then we get the final answer.